I'm Ushoshi. Thank you for your immense love and support. So today will be our Teachers Day special video, and I will make a lockdown friendly 2 cards. These are the 2 that I will make. Sorry for her behavior. Yes. And yeah, I will make this because this was totally made by the things that I was having in my home currently, and this was also the papers that I was having in my home. But still, I would suggest that those who are doing it in their lockdown position and can't find this kind of papers, they can easily try this too. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So let's start with our little girl figure. I made this figure from a normal A4 size paper and colored it with watercolor. Those who are not having a chart paper or a handmade paper that I'm going to use, they can use this kind of A4 size paper and make this kind of figure too. I'm using a random size handmade paper, and then I'm drawing the figure in the following manner. And then color the figure with watercolor. I'm extremely sorry because I forgot to shoot this outlining portion. And yes, I have outlined it with a sketch pen and made the hair design in the same way. Now from the side of the figure, I am marking an outline, and I will cut through the outline only. As you can see, so that it gives an effect of a sticker. Now I will take a small strip of handmade paper of a random size and write this kind of teacher. Teacher sticker was made out of a A4 size paper that I had shown you earlier in this video. Now I will do the same on this handmade paper with the same sketch pen that I have used previously. If you don't know the technique of calligraphy, you can design the letters in the following manner in calligraphy fonts only. In the same way, I will make an outline so that it becomes a sticker and cut it through the outline. Like this. Now take a handmade paper. I chose yellow. You can do it on any color, and take a sheet of a 54 cm by 38 cm and fold into half. Each side should be 19 cm by 27 cm. Now those who are not having this kind of paper, they can use this kind of chart paper. Cut the before mentioned measurements, but I have cut it a little smaller one, just to show that you can also make a smaller version of this bigger card. Now I'm having a 10 cm by 9 cm small chart paper piece. And now with a pattern scissor, as you can see, it has a wavy shape. Cut the edges of the mentioned small paper piece. If you are not having this kind of pattern scissor, you can make this kind of waves and cut it with a normal scissor too. It will give the same effect, as you can see. Now take 9 cm by 27 cm small strip of a handmade paper. You can use your chart paper too and stick it on the card, leaving 2 cm from the side like this. Now take your soft pastels and color it giving it a little vintage look. You can do it with your distress ink too if you are having a distress ink, but I was not having a distress ink, so I thought that I will make it with soft pastels only. Now take a black square piece of 7 cm by 7 cm and stick it on the middle of this, and then stick the whole thing on the card. This will be our blackboard. Now stick the little girl with the help of 2 foam tapes in the top and in the bottom. You should place the figure like this so that the heart placement should be inside the blackboard. Sticking the foam tapes will help you give this kind of 3D look. Take the teacher sticker and stick 2 foam tapes at the ends and stick it parallelly with the girl's leg, as you can see in the video. Now write world's best friend and color it with watercolor. You can use your acrylic color, but as I tried to make it lockdown friendly, so watercolor will need 2 coats because it fades when it dries. So you have to do 2 coats of it. Now with any brush pen, I am decorating the background by writing ABCD and 1 2 3 4 in the following manner. You can use a sketch pen too for making the background, but I thought that I will use my brush pen only. Now I have a normal notebook page of 14 cm by 6.5 cm. These are of total 6 pieces. Fold it into half and cut the corners with your scissors, or you can use your corner cutter too, but I was not having my corner cutter, so I used my scissor. Now stick the pages like this so that it becomes a notebook, a little notebook, and glue on one side and stick it inside the card. With the black sketch pen, write our memories in the classroom and draw a pencil or a pen. In the same way, I made the smaller one with all the things that are available in lockdown. You can check the list of the things that are needed in the first part of the video or in the description box below. So now let's see the final look. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit that big fat thumbs up and share with your friends. If you didn't like the video, you can easily, but do share your beautiful comments in the comment box below, or if you have any video request for me in the comment box below, I will definitely put up a video on that. And if you are new here, I upload DIYs and recycling videos every Friday. If you like my work, then do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon beside it. It will notify you whenever I post a new video. I will meet you next Friday. Till then, bye bye. Love you all.